But it's not just Oregon that's dealing with some of these staffing shortages. Yesterday, hundreds of healthcare professionals rallied at California State Capitol and are now calling for the state to do more to address the nursing shortage crisis. Rachel Wolf has more this morning.
We need staff! Enough is enough!
They hit the streets. Hundreds who help us, now asking for help themselves.
Nurses say that they want $500 million in funding to help bring more people into the pipeline, get more nurses into hospitals.
It's not enough of us.
Latifa Kabir works at a hospital in the LA area, serving medical and surgical patients, including those with heart problems.
There is a burnout in all areas.
She says low staffing levels are impacting patient care.
For example, water sometimes is way down on the totem pole as a need. You
have to address more critical needs.
More critical things. And it's just really sad.
And we try to help each other. We work as a team all of the time, but often you really feel torn as to I can't be here and there at the same time.
Jenny Wong Swanson, a nurse at Kaiser in Woodland Hills, says the pandemic sent healthcare in crisis mode. But as the world returned to a new normal, the number of nurses entering the profession flatlined. According to the union, 1/3 of the 3 million registered nurses in the United States will leave in the coming decade. And the United States healthcare system will be short 1 million nurses by 2030 unless we act now.
You don't have the instructors. You don't have the funding from the states to bring in more students, bring in more staff to actually, bring nursing students through the programs.
That's why unions are asking the governor and the legislature to invest $500 million in the next 5 years to double the capacity to graduate new nurses statewide. They're also lobbying for legislation to bring accountability to enforce nurse staffing ratios and to create a high school level course. They hope addressing what ails the healthcare industry here leads to an examination and a much-needed shot in the arm financially to ensure a better future.